In this video, we'll walk through how to get started with the TeleCloud Pro mobile app. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type TeleCloud Pro. Look for the app with the official TeleCloud Pro name and logo. Tap it, then select Install. Once the app has finished downloading, open it. You'll be taken to the login screen. Log in using the same credentials you use for the TeleCloud web portal, then press Sign In. The first time you sign in, the app will ask for a few permissions. These are important to make sure everything works correctly. It will start by asking about notifications. Allowing this makes sure you get alerts for calls and messages. Next, it will ask for microphone access. You'll need to allow this so you can actually make and receive calls through the app. Next is a request for phone access. Allowing this lets you place or answer calls directly using your mobile network when needed. Finally, the app will ask for access to your contacts. Some people hesitate here, but it's actually very helpful. By allowing contact access, the app can show you who's calling and make it easy to place calls without typing in the number every time. Once permissions are set, you'll see the app's main dial pad. At the top left, you'll also see your extension number and name. Tap this area to view your account details or to enable Do Not Disturb. You are now ready to start making and receiving calls with TeleCloud Pro. To make a call, simply dial from the keypad. To receive a call, just answer when it rings. That's it, you're all set up and ready to use TeleCloud Pro.